Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel, Drawing Kong. Today, I'm going to make a butterfly folding surprise for the first time. If you want to learn how to make one yourself, just follow along with me. I used discarded tape so we will not damage the paper. So I finished two versions of my folding surprise, and I have two markers right here, pink and yellow. I'm not sure which color fits them, so I decided to use one color for one character. So I'll use pink for this. Let's try. I think this color is best, and let's try this. So that's two finishes. Yellow, pink, and let's see which one do you like. And this is the result. This is fold and when fold like this. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my folding surprise, just subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new video. See you next time.